20, 20. It's room tour time. Well, apartment tour. Our fondest request is no smoking by guests. No smoking, it's bad for your health. TV, fireplace, outdoor patio, couch, all the furniture, even a table. Just being at the lake fixes everything. Kitchen, almost like your home. Eat, sleep, ski. And this is where we came from. The Adirondacks map. All those wonderful places. We're around this area. And my bedroom. Have the window open. Fresh air. All the gallery. That's my closet. A bathroom. A shower. Every day is a fresh start. Another bedroom. Closet. Window open. It's weird to have the sink here. And another bathroom. We forgot something in here. I can't go in there, but that's the laundry machines. And I'm gonna end the video right here at this legend